Since March 2024, institutional investors have been pouring money into spot Bitcoin ETFs. Over $36 billion has flowed in so far in 2025 alone. This surge in ETF demand is tightening supply and driving prices higher. As ETFs accumulate real BTC, available market supply shrinks, creating upward pressure on price. Analysts say this could be the early stage of a structural bull run, with institutions becoming the dominant buyers. Could Bitcoin hit new all-time highs this year? What's your price target for Bitcoin in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more crypto updates. See you next time.